Why is the bird doing that, Kaylee?
Because he's weak. Stop for you. You probably just put your hand on that worm.
No, I didn't.
You missed it by an inch. He likes to wiggle.
I hear Chloe. Poor baby.
What?
That little bird. It looks like it's got... When it moves its head side to side, on one side of it, it almost looks like it's got a hole going straight down inside of it. You know what I'm saying? Where it's missing its feathers.
Can I feed it?
He's done eating.
Wait till tomorrow, baby, or maybe the next day when he's a little bit stronger. Because right now
We're keeping him?
you got to be super, super, super gentle with him. And when he's a little stronger, then maybe... I can't tell if that's just the way his body is without his feathers on him, or if there's actually a hole in him.
No, I think it's just his body.
And I think it looks like his skin is tore up a little bit.
The other ones are. I was looking at this one, and it's pet.
Pull them apart where I can. Not with my good spoon. Okay.
I picked them up.
Yuck.
See? You see the blood?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that was the second one I pulled out of the nest. Was that one, and it had blood on its wing, and it had blood coming out of its mouth too. And then I think it was the second
Roll
one.
them over.
It might have been the third one that eyes were poked out.
Oh, why can't you just flip them over?
Can I see move your hand?
That is so cruel. Its own mama do that to it. Poor baby.
Look at that one.
I think that one got it the worst. What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, its head's twisted around. Or maybe this is one that had blood coming out of its mouth.
It is. I have them see the blood.
Phew, it's stem mills.
Did it get its wings pecked out too?
It did.
This one didn't then.
If I seen the mother do that, I would slap that mother as hard as I can. To poor little babies. They're just born. I'm glad one made it, but if it dies,
Yeah, we need to bury them because they're starting to stink. Yeah, she got this one's wings too. Phew, yuck. These babies were savaged by their own mama. And where's the live baby? Oh, he's hiding under this paper towel. And this one lived. And hoping that
I looked up how much do I need to feed a baby bird, and it says
continue to
chickens who have not yet opened their eyes. It's not a chicken. Why'd you take that paper towel out?
because it had poop all over it. That's what we need to like bundle it up where it's not, where it can't really flop around, where it's kind of nestled in. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah, like that.
Oh, calm down. Quit, Mama.
Now, I can get some rest.
Do they need anything to drink?
No, they get their water from the worms and insects.